Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can increase the quota of your Azure OpenAI resource. So let's begin the video. First of all, you're going to open the Azure OpenAI dashboard via the Azure resource. So from here you can see different models that are available. You're going to click on the deployments button. So if you have any model deployed, you can check what is the capacity or the quota for that model. So for that, just simply click on this button, click on edit. You're going to click on deployment details, and here you can see tokens per minute rate limit. So basically this is the capacity that you have or the quota you have for your particular model. In my case it is 900,000 tokens per minute, which is a lot because I have increased the quota. Initially it was only 30,000 tokens per minute. So if you have a use case where you are calling the Azure OpenAI service with a lot of tokens, then you definitely need a quota increase, just like I did. So we're going to click on cancel. If you don't have any models deployed right now, you can also go to the quota section. Make sure that your subscription is selected. You can select the category. If you're going to go with global standard models, then you're going to select that which model you're going to deploy, and it will show you the basically quota for your model in that particular region. You can see in Australia, East, etc. I only have 50,000 tokens per limit, but in the East US I have 900,000 tokens per limit because I have increased its quota limit. So if you want to increase the quota limit of any region model for your Azure account, you are going to click on this request quota button. Here we have this Azure OpenAI service request for quota increase. So you can read the form description and all these required details as well. After reading them, you need to enter your first name, your last name, your company email. This is very important that you enter a valid company email. If you have made your Azure account which has the Azure OpenAI resource with a simple email like Gmail or Outlook, you do not need to enter it here. You need to enter your company email address, which is very important. Then you need to enter your company name, your company address, company city, postal code and country. After that, you need to enter your subscription ID, which contains your Azure OpenAI resource for which you want the quota to be increased. So in order to know your subscription ID, you're going to open the Azure portal. In Navigate, you're most probably going to see subscriptions, or in Azure services you're going to find subscriptions. Just click on the subscription button, and here you will see your subscription name, which can be one or multiple, and beside that you're going to have your subscription ID. So you're going to copy the subscription ID for your Azure account which has the Azure OpenAI resource. You're going to copy it and you're going to paste it in the field right here. Then you need to justify why you want an increase in Azure OpenAI quota limit. So give a valid reason, like you have an XYZ application and it uses XYZ tokens. So try to give the best details and justification possible so that it is easy for the person who is reviewing your application to increase your Azure quota limit. Then you need to select your quota request type, basically where you're going to deploy your model. If it is a global standard, select this one. If it is any of the others, just select that option, and then you need to select in which region you're going to deploy your model. In my case it's East US, and then you need to select your model. You can select from the list. In my case it was GPT-4o, and then you need to understand the global standard quota. So here they are telling how much value you need to enter. So if you have GPT-35 Turbo 440, it has a ratio of 1 to 1000. Basically it means that if you enter 1 here, it means that you are requesting 1000 tokens per minute. If I, let's say, enter 400, then for these models it means I am requesting 400,000 tokens per minute because it is a 1 to 1000 ratio. If you're requesting an O1 model increase, then if you enter 1, it means you are requesting 6000 tokens, and if you're entering 400, then it means 400 multiplies 6000 and so on. So enter according to your need, and once you have entered all the details, click on the submit button, and after some time you will receive an email on your business email that you have entered. So in my case, I was successful and my quota has been increased for my OpenAI model. In your case, it may be rejected because you may have entered incorrect justification or entered incorrect details. But if it is approved, you're going to get an email something like this, where it will tell you that how much quota has been increased and on which date. So yeah guys, in this way you can increase the quota of your Azure OpenAI resource. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel and enable bell notifications. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.